make a quick pit stop by Albion gas station. Yeah man, I'm being up and about with cuz from
3,087, yeah Bobby?
Greetings man. Yeah man, been up and about with cuz from the what I say? Remember project working on within the area. Well, you know, my hometown. Yeah man, with the Albion. Mom's a phone yesterday. You know it's something come down. But anyway, as me say, you want to work on a project and I'm up and about today. Yeah man, so I'm gonna show you all around. A little bit of what I say now, music. And we have speed up. As we are come from Kingston for St Thomas. Well, even though we're the Albion now. Come on, yeah, though. It's a blessed afternoon. Big bro on the corner start dropping noise. Someone always have that's a sinus issue, you know. Yeah man, once the climate change, I'm gonna show you all what's popping. Right now, set up for rain. Look up there so guys. Whole heap of rain in the hills. Yeah man, the whole place full of water. From the other day we've been getting on and off rain. I love it. Yeah man, cause I plant some get some water. You know it's something go come my yard man. So say, up on active. Keep getting out there and doing the work. Right. That's a plus.